Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about the scholarship of Baba Gurbachan Singh Scholarship Scheme 2020. So now let's begin our video. First of all, talking about the program. The Education Department of Sant Nirankari Mandal, Delhi invites application for Baba Gurbachan Singh Scholarship Scheme 2020 from economically weak students who are pursuing the first year of degree or diploma program. The scholarship aims to provide financial assistance to promising and needy students to help them complete their higher education and excel in life. Selected student can get financial assistance up to 50,000 per year of tuition fee for their course program. They will be given 50,000 per year or the total amount of tuition fee, whichever is less. Now talking about the eligibility criteria of Baba Gurbachan Singh Scholarship Scheme. To be eligible, an applicant must be a regular student pursuing a diploma or degree course from a recognized university or educational institution of India. Have an annual family income of not more than 3.50 lakh. Have secured at least 60% marks in class 10th or class 12th examination. Not have been detained by the institution or failed in examination or penalized by the institution on the grounds of indiscipline. Not be in receipt of any similar scholarship. That means if you are enjoying any another scholarship on the same time, you cannot apply for this scholarship. Next, not have taken admission through management or conveyor quota or any other quota of the educational institution. Benefit you get by that scholarship is selected student will get financial assistance of up to 50,000 per year or the tuition fee payable in each year, whichever is less. Documents you required while filling up that form: photograph, family income certificate or latest pay slip, admission slip or admission letter, mark sheet of all the examination passed from class 10th and 12th certificate, latest fee receipt of the university or institution, fee details signed by the principal of the institution, certificate by the institution, residence proof like Aadhaar card, ration card, passport, PAN card, voter ID card, etc. Copy of student's bank passbook. Go to the official website, read the instruction carefully and fill the application form. Enclose affidavit and all the required documents, and finally submit the duly filled in application form with all the documents through speed post to the address showing on your screen. Application deadline of that scholarship is 31 December. Now what is the selection criteria of that scholarship? The Education Committee of Education Department of Sant Nirankari Mandal, Delhi will review the application submitted and prepare a list of shortlisted candidate. Shortlisted candidate may be called for an interview with the Education Committee if required, after which the final list of candidate will be prepared. Some of the terms and conditions related to that scholarship are: financial assistance being offered under this scholarship scheme will completely depend on the capability and requirement of the course. All the document enclosed with the application form should be self-attested. The applicant must not leave any column of the application form blank. For the final year of the course, 25% of the course fee will be paid only on receipt of the final year mark sheet. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. I hope to see you in another video. Thank you.